Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the typical budget. I just wanted to drop in, check on everyone's budget for May. Hopefully it's going well, especially since the month is pretty much over. Hopefully you've started working on your budget for June. And if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. This video will be a little different from what you're normally used to seeing from me. It's a mock budget from someone I met on Facebook. Now, she didn't want me to tell her real name, so I will just call her Lisa. Now, Lisa get paid once a month. Her and her son get $994 for the income, and she's not paying any debt at the moment. She don't pay for any food out of the money that she gets, and she wanted to be able to save a little money after paying all of her bills. Also save up to move to an apartment or a house. So the bills that we're going over would be the max amount of what the bill could actually be. So hopefully the bills are lower than what I have on this paper. So for water, the max amount is $90. For Wi-Fi, $80. For the lights, $200. Now, Lisa doesn't have a car of her own, but her daughter do have a car, and her mom gives her gas money. So a max of $35 for the month. Now, with gas being a little lower, that amount could be a little less. For transportation, now Lisa doesn't really drive anywhere, so she take taxi, Uber, the bus. So she do need money for transportation, which is $50, she said. And she do need things for her household, which is $150. Now, saving to move for an apartment or a house, I did advise she could put $200. Now, when you add everything up, you do get $805. And if you subtract that amount from the income of $994, you would be able to have $180 left. Now, she did mention that she would want to save whatever is left over. So she's going to have $189 that she can put towards savings. And if you subtract everything, this amount and this amount from this amount, it do equal 0. So this is how you do a zero-based budget. I will check on Lisa maybe in the middle of the month to check to see how everything is going with her budget. Now, I've never done a mock interview, well, not an interview, but a mock budget before, but I'm glad that I was able to assist in helping her, and I'm glad that I was able to break these numbers down to where she could see that she's able to save something. She did go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, I'm just glad that I was able to help. I hope that you all have a great rest of your day and or night, depending on when you're watching this. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, and stay safe.